Reboot Your Device, a step-by-step guide.
Hello and welcome to this instructional guide. Today, we're going to cover the steps to access the Reboot System Now function on your device. This is an important feature that can help solve minor system glitches, so it's crucial to know how to navigate to it.
What is Reboot System Now?
Before we dive into the steps, let's first understand what Reboot System Now is. This function powers your device off and on again, restarting the system software to resolve any temporary software issues.
When should I use Reboot System Now?
You might want to use the Reboot System Now function when your device is sluggish, unresponsive, or if certain applications are not working as expected. Keep in mind, this is a safe procedure and will not delete any of your personal data.
How do I access the Reboot System Now function?
Here are the general steps to reach the Reboot System Now function. However, it's important to remember that the exact method might vary slightly depending on your device's brand and model. 1. Press and hold the power button on your device. This is usually located on the side or top of the device. 2. A menu should appear on your screen. Look for the option that says Reboot or Restart and tap on it. 3. If a secondary menu appears asking for confirmation or providing different types of reboots, select Reboot System Now. 4. Your device should now restart. Wait for the process to complete, and do not interrupt the reboot.
What if I can't find the Reboot System Now function?
In some cases, the Reboot System Now function may not be directly available from the power menu. If this is the case for your device, you may need to enter the system recovery mode. This usually involves a combination of pressing and holding the power button and volume keys. Please refer to your device's user manual for specific instructions. That's it. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to access the Reboot System Now function on your device. Remember, a simple system reboot can solve many minor issues and improve your device's performance. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.